Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Epicuren Discovery Six-Step System. If you're into anti-aging skincare and have been exploring high-end solutions for your skin, this might just be on your radar. It's marketed as a full system designed to rejuvenate and address signs of aging. But does it deliver? Let's find out. This skincare system comes in a set that promises to target multiple signs of aging with 6 distinct products, each meant to address different aspects of skin health and rejuvenation. From creams to gels, it covers a wide range of needs. It's built to work as a complete routine, with products to cleanse, exfoliate, tone, and hydrate. The ingredients and formulation are carefully chosen to deliver anti-aging benefits, but we'll get into that in a bit more detail. The system includes everything you need for a thorough anti-aging regimen, including cleanser, exfoliant, toner, serum, moisturizer, and a mask. Each product is designed to work synergistically for maximum results, so using them together is key. One of the most notable things about Epicuren Discovery is that they're known for their blend of active ingredients like enzymes and peptides, which can really make a difference in boosting skin's resilience and radiance over time. Let's talk about how this system performs in the real world. First off, incorporating it into your daily routine was pretty straightforward. The cleanser is gentle, which is great for sensitive skin, and the exfoliant doesn't feel too abrasive, always a plus when dealing with delicate, mature skin. The gel-like serum is smooth and lightweight, which makes it easy to layer under a moisturizer. I found that my skin felt soft and refreshed after each use, without that tight plus dry sensation some other anti-aging systems can leave. It's easy to apply and absorbs quickly, so I didn't have any issues with layering other skincare or makeup. As for the actual impact, I did notice that my skin looked brighter and smoother after consistent use. The serum, in particular, made a noticeable difference in skin texture, while the moisturizer helped lock in hydration throughout the day. I didn't experience any irritation, which is often a concern with anti-aging products, especially for those with sensitive skin. However, while I loved the improvement in texture and hydration, I didn't see dramatic changes in fine lines or deep wrinkles after just a few weeks. So if you're looking for immediate results, this may not be the magic fix. But if you're consistent, I believe you'll see long-term benefits. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this system is perfect if you're looking for a complete skincare regimen. It covers all the bases, from cleansing to moisturizing, and uses high-quality ingredients known for their anti-aging benefits. The products are also great for sensitive skin, which isn't always the case with more intense anti-aging lines. On the downside, the price point is definitely on the higher end. For some, it might feel like a bit of an investment, especially if you're not someone who can commit to a full 6-step regimen daily. The other minor downside is that while it helps with hydration and texture, it doesn't completely target deep wrinkles in the short term. That might be a factor for those with more mature skin looking for quicker results. When it comes to value for money, this system might be worth the splurge if you're serious about your anti-aging routine and you have the budget for it. The quality of the products and their ability to work together as a system definitely justify the price for those who want a no-fuss, complete anti-aging routine. However, if you're just getting started with anti-aging skincare, there are more affordable options that might give you similar results without committing to such a high-end system. In comparison to other anti-aging systems, Epicuren's 6-step system stands out because of its focus on enzyme-based ingredients and peptides, which are known to be gentle but effective. Many other products focus on retinoids or acids, which can be irritating for sensitive skin. So if you struggle with those kinds of ingredients, this system might be a gentler alternative. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the jars are designed to be used easily, though the weight of the items makes it a bit bulky for travel. The product itself lasted me a good while with daily use, so in terms of longevity, you're getting solid value per bottle. If you're looking for an alternative that provides similar benefits but at a lower cost, you might want to check out systems from brands like Olay or Paula's Choice. These offer great anti-aging formulations without the hefty price tag, although they may not come in a 6-step system like Epicuren. To sum it all up, the Epicuren Discovery Six-Step System is a solid choice for those looking for a complete anti-aging skincare routine with high-quality ingredients. If you're serious about skincare and have the budget for it, this system could deliver impressive long-term results. However, if you're just getting started on your anti-aging journey or looking for something more budget-friendly, there are definitely alternatives worth considering. If this review helped you, make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on honest, in-depth beauty reviews like this one. Your support helps us bring you more honest content like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.